Chilly, but beautiful.
Yes, we are on a food hunt today. All day, every day. We are headed to Shibuya today. But first, I have to get my fix on some rice balls. My favorite thing to eat in the morning. And if you walk,
it's a very quick and easy
yes,
grab it and go snack, that's for sure.
Yeah, if you walk on the street that we are in, we will hit a corner store, corner grocery store right there, which I love going to. And then if you walk just across the street, you will see Kitchen Origin. They sell bento box, and if you wanted one here, you can get some. But I just want to grab a quick rice balls right over here. I will take you, and we are allowed to walk. There's quite a bit of people in there. Also, masks are not mandatory outside, but it is on the inside for now. I know, right? Like, look at it on this side. Quick and easy, because we are on a hunt for food, so I don't want to eat too much. But this will hold me on the train until we get to our destination.
So fresh, eh?
Always have to get one of these. It's the perfect thing to have for breakfast. It's like sweet and savory.
I'll take one too.
So good. You think it's just rice, but the tofu is so flavorful. What do you think, babe? You like that?
Yeah. It's very sweet too.
Want another? I guess I could have used chopsticks, but
Yeah, I'll have one more. They almost look like different flavors, but they're not.
you need to try one of these. Just try it. I promise you, you'll like it. You never know what you're gonna find.
No. Random little stores.
So fresh. Every day that place is always open when we walk by, so oh, that was so good. Now I'm good for the next couple hours.
Yeah, there you go.
Here we go.
The next stop is Ginza H9.
Right here. Follow the G. Follow the G. We are currently at
Shibuya. That was well timed.
I know we've been to the Scramble Crossing many times, but it's just fun to come here anyways because it's such a scramble. You guys, it's really cold today.
It is actually really cold. I'm not usually cold, and I'm cold.
Yeah, Aaron is cold. And
that's how you scramble.
is how you scramble.
Oh, that's the glitter. Look at that beef.
We could go there.
I was.
It smells so good around here.
Oh, you know what the
all
smell of that is? It's
grilled,
beef. Yeah.
grilled beef. Ooh, look at this, babe. Look. Ooh, we could try that if you want. I think this is it, but very small and it's full. Well, we tried,
Yeah.
but we couldn't wait anymore.
That's a long line.
Because there's at
a
least
lot of people
there's
inside.
at least 10 seats, and it's full, and then there's on top of that there's probably 10 people waiting. So it's like a full cycle.
It's a full cycle. Of
We
everyone.
probably could be standing there for 45 minutes outside, and it's cold. There's lots of places to eat here, so we're not too worried about it. Cool. like this place. So, found a place, but here's the thing. Everything is in Japanese. So this is what we do. Everything's in Japanese.
No connection. Oh,
Fail.
I'm getting 1 bar in here.
Oh, no bar. Well, usually that works. Usually our Google Translate works, but because we're underneath so many layers, levels of buildings,
And the train station.
station, so in this case it didn't work. Luckily, our server speaks a little bit of English. So we have miso soup.
Cheers.
And salad.
That is a really good dressing.
It's all in the dressing. It's like citrus, almost lemony.
And again, sweet.
Can I have another one?
Yeah.
So what? Wrong restaurant.
It's universal.
We just realized that there's Wi-Fi here. So let me show you.
It's working now?
Yeah, it's working now. I don't know if you can see it. There's such a bad glare. Braised pork belly. Yeah, Wagyu beef hamburger, pork loin, pork ginger, omelet rice topping, fried chicken, Wagyu beef hamburger. You see? It's okay if you don't speak the language. All you need is Google. When it works.
When it works, yes. That's what I was hoping for.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. That's it. That's it. That's the one. Wash myself.
Delicious.
Delicious. A little bit of everything on there.
And this is mine. Almost like Aaron's. Mine is the Wagyu patty.
So fancy with the
Oh.
little.
With the cheese too.
Yeah. You know what this is to me? It's like breakfast and lunch combined.
It's the sauce.
It's the sauce.
Wow, you guys, that was so good. That was so delicious. Back in the cold, back in the cold. So you guys, now we are actually on a hunt for this dessert vending machine. Why dessert vending machine or vending machine in general? Because I think they're fantastic. I think they're very, very unique. And
Yes. Japanese vending machines are amazing.
amazing, fascinating. I love them. It's just the mechanical part of it. It's like, how?
I know.
How do you keep it so fresh every day? Maybe I'm guessing because they go through them quite a bit and they sell like out often, so they have to replenish often, and so one of the reasons why it stays fresh. Aaron's looking at the map to see where it is.
It's somewhere in here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Let's look down.
Okay.
Trying to find what you're looking for is like
Very hard because they're
there's so
all,
many nooks and crannies and corners.
yeah, I was gonna say there's so many little hidden alleys, and addresses aren't the same as back home, so it's so much harder.
Hey, look, there's your fish kind of restaurant right there.
Yeah.
Standing sushi bar.
Oh.
Why are you standing?
Ooh, candied strawberries. Lots of desserts down here. What?
Found it.
Oh, where? Right here?
No, right over here.
Where? Oh, right there. Oh, okay, right there. This is what we were looking for. Oh, it's a cream dessert. All right, let's try it. Egg, wheat, egg. Look like they're all...
Yeah, it's all the same looking.
Yeah, the name is all the same.
Yeah. So I imagine the green ones are sold out. Yeah.
Okay.
It tells you down there, step 1, 2, and 3.
So apparently this is dessert cream.
Yes. That feels smooth.
Is it just whipped cream? It is?
Kind of. Kind of.
Is there anything inside?
I just hit gold.
Oh, there's cake pieces inside.
I don't think it's just whipped cream.
No? I want the cake too.
Oh yeah, get the cake. Get the cake in there. Oh.
It's cream cake.
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
Fresh cream cake.
Oh, those people are going for it too.
Oh, this is so good.
That is good. Yeah, you gotta get the cake.
And it's like lightly sweet. The cake is very fluffy. Wow, cake in a can.
Cake in a freaking can.
It's like nice and cold. The only thing missing in there is fresh strawberries.
That's what I was gonna say too.
Fresh strawberries.
Yeah.
That is good. Really good. Oh, they're going for it. They're going for it. It's popular here. Mission accomplished, you guys.
Yes.
Yeah, that's worth the hunt. That's
Yes.
worth the wait. And it was actually really, really good. Refreshing. Not even like, I'm not even exaggerating. It's so refreshing. Lightly sweet.
Like, how do you keep the cake not getting like soggy? Like that, you know, like, man. Anyway.
Now I feel like I could go for something. I know we just ate, but now I feel like I can go for something more savory because I had something sweet, you know?
And if we go search for the final machine,
yes,
it will take us a while on the train.
At least maybe an hour-ish. So
yeah.
By then I should be able to eat.
I think so. I should be hungry by then.
Right? All right.
Probably starving.
Probably. All right, let's go.
A few moments later.
It's a cool train station. Wanna go check out that
Grocery store?
yeah?
Sure.
Yeah. Wow. Is it all big? Is this the thing you like? The
Sure it is, but I don't know what it is.
wow. Oh, I bet you'd like this.
Oh, look at this one too.
Oh, cake in a cup. Layered cheesecake, it says. Is that your green gun you were looking for?
No, that's the one I bought by accident.
Oh,
Yeah. With a good eye.
yeah. Do you want to get anything?
No, I'm good for now.
Yeah, I always like to go in and see, because
Oh,
different
yeah, 'cause
different
you never know what you're
locations
gonna
have
find.
different things. And the things to me that make sense in Japan is every single corner, any store, whether it's corner store, grocery store, any store, you will always find the coolest area with like pre-made meals. Oh, I love it.
Anderson's.
Huh? What's an Anderson?
I don't know. So find out.
Oh, it's like a bakery.
Kind of like that one you go to a udon place.
Oh, bakery. Yeah. Oh, I love bakeries. The Danish sausage bun.
This one?
Yes. And a curry bun, please. Thank you.
Nice.
Croissant. Croissant. A croissant.
Danish cream cheese
Yes.
pastry. Banana cake.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Wow. And I want one of these guys over here.
Which one? Look, there's like sandwiches here too.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. Nice. So a little snack before we continue with our ramen hunt. Wow.
Bread, ham, bread, egg.
Sausage, cheese, bun.
Cheers. That'd be good.
So good. It's like buttery, sweet bun.
And it's not too much. That's the good thing.
You know what this reminds me of? Almost like the cinnamon raisin bread. You know the sweetness of the raisin?
Mm-hmm.
The soft bread. But better.
Banana.
Is it as good as this? Or better?
Well, I'm a big
Different.
banana fan.
I like bread though. Wow.
So amazing, all these little stores and communities. And they're like all around like train stations and stuff. Everything you need
In one little hub.
in one little hub.
Yeah, it's
everywhere.
nuts.
And it's like boom, 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 boom,
Right,
boom, boom,
because
boom, 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 boom,
Yeah,
boom.
think so many people come through here
Yeah.
in a day.
Yeah.
Morning, afternoon, night. So many. So it makes sense. So final search of the day, you guys.
Oh man.
This is the big ticket. All right.
Yeah.
This
is the important one.
This is the most important one on my bucket list.
Oh,
The hot ramen vending machine. Okay.
it's like the unicorn of vending machines.
It's like the magic, the end of the rainbow sort of thing.
Okay, it's apparently somewhere behind this gate.
And of course, train station, there's every little gift shop, little convenience store. It's grab and go convenient, right? So it makes sense that a ramen vending machine would be here. Apparently it's somewhere in here.
Yeah.
Somewhere
Like,
in here. We're gonna ask someone now
this place is huge.
because it's huge.
Yeah, and we've already searched a bit.
All right, let's go ask somebody.
Okay.
Like, look at this cool little ramen place that's like underneath of I don't know what. Like a... And this is just under the train station. Like another vending machine everywhere. They even have gacha machine. Look at that. Like, look, you have a random mochi store right there. Let's go over here. I want to see what they have. Snacks, mochi, cakes, and bento box. This is what I mean. Bento box are very popular here. Like, it's dinner time right now. That's maybe why there are a lot of people going home, scrambling. Where'd Aaron go? Oh, right here. Oh my god, he's like way over here. Look. Where'd he go? There? Oh, right there. Yes. Remember to stand on the left if you're ever here.
Yes, because some people go running past you.
Yeah. Oh, I also want to say, I know some of you guys will probably be thinking, well, why would you want to buy stuff from the vending machine if you can just go to the store and buy it? The thing is, it's fresh. It's just as good as if you were to buy it at the store. If say you're running out of time, you want to grab something quick, and say, I don't know, you go somewhere and the lineup is crazy, you just find yourself a vending machine and grab some.
Oh yeah, you're running
quick
for the
bite.
train. You only have 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Even though you can't eat in public, but still.
Yeah, but I mean, you could just stand right there
Yeah.
and eat it.
And you can take it with you. Now
Or-
you got something at home.
Yep.
Maybe your fridge is empty. I've been there.
But it's just so cool. Like, I
And
find
it's so different for us. That's the thing, right?
I know.
Like,
I find vending machines so fascinating because we don't have even 7-Eleven stuff back at home is not even close to vending machine stuff.
no.
All right, you guys, we are on the right path. We've actually
We got the ticket, I think.
we've asked the ticket agent
Yeah.
where this ramen machine is. Ooh,
Because-
look. Like, look, so cool.
This looks like that kind of like cracker thing you like.
Yeah, the rice cracker, and then like chocolate. Like, look at these chocolate bars. Oh, they kind of look like cakes to me.
Those like protein bars.
Yeah, see? So cool. And then you can go in here, grab anything in here you want. And then this
beer.
where?
In
Did you
the
actually see?
convenience
Oh,
store.
I thought you meant like a vending machine. So
Oh, they apparently do have liquor ones.
hot coffee?
Ooh, hot
Seriously, you guys, like, this is why I'm so fascinated with vending machines, because there's just so many different ones. And I guess because this is a big train station,
Yeah.
there are just so many different ones. So many! Imagine we didn't find it.
Or it's sold out.
Well,
Or it's gone.
yeah, and that's the thing, I think, like, because it's portable, you could be searching for it and it's no longer at that location.
For sure. Store, restroom.
Another convenience store. Looks like they're closing soon. Another gacha machine. No. Another drink. Babe, babe.
Look at the red sign.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Oh.
Are you excited?
Oh, my stomach is. Wow. Ramen stand.
Right here, the sign.
Holy.
Ramen's down on the pole.
Oh.
You guys, I was so excited. Oh, and there's a seating area. Wait, so there's this one and the sign goes all the way here. So there's two machines. No, and then there's more drinks. Ah! Okay, babe, let's go. I'm excited. Should we get it? Yeah, let's get it from here. Okay. I can't believe we found it.
Wow.
All right, so there is. This product is served hot and the soup content is serious harm. Please handle with care. So this is actually really hot. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's 4 pages of ramen. Holy.
Spicy miso. Tonkatsu. You'd like that one. So, add to cart.
Wow.
Oh, I pay first.
Go for it.
All right. So, and then there's this thing, and you just pay with your Passmo card. So it's $7.90. Ta-da!
Wow. Payment successful.
Chopsticks and spoon.
Your bowl when the chamber door opens.
Ah, so it's gonna come out of here.
Wow. It's like, how long do I stand here and wait for the door to open?
Oh, I see what it's doing.
What?
There's a thing that comes down that heats it up. You can't see it because it's foggy.
Yeah, but there's a little crack at the top there.
Please eat ramen at the standing table behind and throw it away in the trash box next to this machine.
Wow.
Right there.
Yeah. And even it was sink.
Yeah, you can wash your hands and everything. Wow, I can smell it. It smells so good. There it is.
Careful.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Seriously.
Wow. I'm actually impressed. Try mine. It's not even.
It's hot.
That's not spicy at all.
That is spicy.
That's not spicy. Wow. It has corn and everything. I just want to try this while it's still hot. I'm going to try this while it's still hot.
Do it, yeah. It says wait a few minutes. So.
Mmm.
Looks good.
Mmm. Wow, that is actually really good. Mmm. 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 Aaron's over there using the second machine. Which one did you get?
The butter miso.
Ooh. I'll wait for you over here.
Okay.
Eat it while it's warm, he says. Oh, I will. Wow. I am so speechless right now. I mean, getting ramen from the actual ramen shop is ideal, But this, coming out of machine, fresh, like, I mean, I'm sure it's frozen. Ooh, water, you got water? Wow. I hope you don't mind the announcements in the background. This is Aaron's.
Wow, look at those noodles. Those are different.
Yeah. Wait till you try it. Like it's smoking hot.
It's
right
smoking hot. Yeah, and this is inside and it's still steaming.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like we're outside eating this. Like, oh, that's hot.
now. Told you. Mine's
Wow.
mine's not that hot anymore.
Mine's really hot.
So this is pork.
Oh, mine is too. I realized that as I said. Oh.
I was like, there's no beef there.
Oh, yeah.
So good though, for what it is, you know? I was just saying earlier, it's like, yeah, you can get ramen from a ramen shop, but a ramen that comes out of a machine.
I was thinking while I was making it, I was like, can we get one of these for our house? Like, seriously. Do it.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. Yeah.
That's a good noodle too.
It's soft, chewy. Wow. But I'm surprised. I guess no. I shouldn't say I'm not surprised that it's not in every single corner because there's lots of ramen shops,
Lots.
right? But at the same time, it makes sense why it's in a train station.
Yeah.
You're on the go. You're hungry. You can be on the train for 45 minutes.
Yep. If they had one of these in Vancouver at the SkyTrain, I'd get it. Instead of those pizza places.
For sure. I think I have a napkin in my bag. Or do I? Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Can I try yours?
Mm-hmm.
Your attention, please. The yellow window
Whoa.
to farm
Butter miso.
Wow.
for send
I think I like yours better.
20.
Mine's a little salty. I got a little saltier. But it's still good.
Delicious. Nobody else has come to get ramen.
You know what we need to get next? Ice cream.
Oh. That'd be good.
Yeah. Oh, killed it. Killed it. This is like the perfect amount too.
Yeah, I might get another one.
Perfect amount so I can eat other stuff, you know? Not just ramen.
Yeah, I might get another one.
Mmm. No! No! Where's my Tide pen when I need it?
Yeah. Yeah,
Wow.
still.
I honestly give this 10 out of 10 for what it is. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Like,
Instant ramen. Like, man,
10
this
out
is
of
better.
10.
This is 10 times better than the ramen I make.
Yours
Sorry,
is
not ramen.
instant noodle. It's
Yes.
not ramen.
That's what I used to think ramen was.
Wow. They have a garbage for the soup, leftover soup,
Yep.
the spoon and like the chopstick stuff, the wood, and then plastic stuff.
19番線に19時38分発朝は627名長野行きは12両編成で参ります。この電車は大宮、片崎、
Good, huh?
You know,
軽井沢、桜井
I don't mean to diss the Canada ramen,
What do you mean?
but this is better. The machine ramen is better than anything, any of the ramen I've had.
You must have not had the right ones yet.
We have not. We've only been to the Victoria ramen. Oh, actually, that one, that ghost ramen was good. That was good. Sorry, I apologize, Canada ramen.
Oh, and did I didn't show you the chopsticks? Comes with toothpick.
That is good.
Well, I was gonna show you guys.
There's a little dribble.
They're like,
Here.
look, the soup garbage goes there, and all the other stuff goes there. So yeah, and then there's a sink to wash your hands. Like, they thought of everything. No human contact needed.
Wow.
I'm impressed.
Look at that one. Look at that ice cream machine.
We saw that one. Here,
That's
you
not
want
the one
water?
we saw, is it?
We have.
We did not see this.
Oh, what is? I've never had those before. Oh, is it like soft serve? Okay, we need to get one.
Chocolate
Look at
balls.
that.
ウィーン車は11号車、1号車から7号車まで。
Wow, it's soft serve. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Cheers.
Haagen-Dazs.
Let's go back to our table.
Okay.
We're just gonna go back to the eating area over here.
Look at this. You just open this one and tip it back. Wow.
Mine's not that soft. Wait.
Mine comes in a fancy little package.
Mine still needs a couple minutes.
Put it in the ramen machine and warm it up. Caramel.
Oh!
Thank you.
Can you see that? Waffle, caramel, ice cream.
And it's super crunchy.
Wow.
Your attention, please. The Yamaguko 154A Tsubasa 154 for Tokyo will soon arrive.
Wow, it's good.
21. Thank you.
That is good. Coolish.
This is so cool. That is actually really good. I love vanilla anything. Wow. I wonder if you're supposed to eat it like this.
You almost lost that one.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely needs a little bit of time. See, it comes out easier now.
Look at that. Back up the escalator.
That was such a fun day.
Oh.
That was such a fun day. Man. Well, we are, I guess, done with the
Done with the vending.
done with the vending machine hunts so far for today.
I swear, there's like nothing like it though when you find it, right?
I know. It's like I couldn't believe my eyes when I actually saw it.
Oh, it's like it's real.
Yeah. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this experience. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.